Gotta love these dirt roads that just go off into no man's land. Far off, I thought, gee, I'd like to go up into them trees. And lo and behold, the trail took me. Here I am on it. I got a spectacular view, both right and left. It's nice and cool up here. It's 77 degrees. So it's nice about having a four-wheel drive. You can take off on these roads. The old Ram's just a ramming along. I got it in four-wheel drive low right now. So it just easily creeps along. All the rock here looks like it's just like shale. Wow, this is going to be a nice place. I can tell right now. I always like to boondock in a place where the view is just outstanding. And this is one of them kind of places. No matter if I look out the dinette window, the kitchen window, or out the back door, it's a spectacular view. Let me see, which is the best view? Ooh, look at that one over there. So if I put my back door to those trees, you can hear the rocks grinding underneath the tires. That view. Yeah. Ooh, look at that view. This is what's nice about having a house on wheels. You can put your picture window any place you want. I see a kind of a flat spot out there. Where's that wind blowing? It's coming right in the window, so let's try this road here and see where it goes. I'm going to put it in four-wheel drive. Okay, the big Ram says, boom, you're ready. See some interesting rocks up here. So, I could easily spend the day here, easily. I'm in no big rush as I work my way south. Okay, I moved a couple rocks. We're in four-wheel drive. Looks like a nice place to hang out. I know there won't be any 40-foot motorhomes come up here. The old ram is just above an idle. And it just crawls up this stuff. Some gnarly looking rocks here. Oh, looks like a little gold mine shaft right there. Let me stop and check that out. Yeah, looks like a nice little camp out spot right there. Let me back into that little guy. Okay, my friends, I'm camped out here somewhere. I don't know, I'm probably about 20 miles from Lake City, Colorado. I took a dirt road. Actually, it's the cutoff road to Lake City. It's all dirt road for about 25 miles. And so I'm about halfway probably in between. And I spotted these rocks up on this knoll, and there was a road leading up there. So I thought, gee, looks like a vein. I think I'll go check it out. So I parked the camper here last night, and now I'm going to go over to a spot that looks like it's been possibly a dig. So see you there, because somebody has been digging here for who knows what. It could be gold or it could be gems. But this outcropping of rock here is, whenever you see an outcropping of rock like this, just out of nowhere, well, you know there's got to be some minerals in and around it. Okay, around this diggings right here that you can see, somebody dug a big hole here. It's either gems or gold, one or the other. Now, I'm getting a reading right here. So I'm going to deduce it here with this button. I'm going to go to coins. So it's something, might be metals. It's got to be steel, because see, it's not making any signals right now. So I'm going to drop it down to US coins. Nothing. I'm going to drop it down to jewelry. Now some jewelry, it can have brass, silver, and even metal with it. Clasps and stuff like that. So I'm getting a little bit of a signal right in here. So I'm going to go to relics. Now relics could have anything in it. Okay, I'm going to go down to the next one, to custom. Now I haven't got anything really custom set up on this, so I'm going to go back up to 0. Now 0 could be anything. So I'm going to hold this button right here. That'll hone in on it. Right there. A nail.